Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the multiple stream king, LaDerrick Williams. Welcome back to the Paid in Foreign Exchange channel where we get paid in foreign exchange. Super duper excited to talk to y'all today. Okay, let me move myself out the way so y'all can see this real quick. This will not be a long video, all right, but I want to talk to a lot of my beginner traders. I remember being there, all right. I remember when I first started and just everyone had price tags. Everyone had price tags in order to learn the information. And me being a business owner, right? Me being in business for so many years, I understand it, right? I get it. All right. It costs to be the boss, right? You know what I'm saying? It costs to be the boss, and you gotta pay what you weigh. All right, that's what we say where I'm from, man. I'm out in Dallas, Texas, but you gotta pay what you weigh, and I get that. All right, but in this game of the investment world, all right, I already got to pay you an arm and a leg to get the information, and then there is, all right, a growth process where I'm going to make my mistakes. They say, well, that's why you're supposed to pay for a mentor, all right? So there go another price leg, all right? And then they say, you know what? Well, we'll give you signals, but you need to pay for the signals, right? And then not only do you need to pay for the signals, but the signals are it's a monthly fee on top of that, all right? And then I still have to invest in my forex course. I mean invest in my forex platform, right? I need to invest into my broker to be able to physically trade. I don't know about y'all, man. I'm a family man, right? It's me and my wife, and we have 7 children together. My son just graduated yesterday, right? I have an 18-year-old, and I have 6 girls after that. Me and my wife have a beautiful family, all right? But with 7 kids come a lot of mouths to feed, a lot of clothes to put on backs, socks and shoes, you name it, all right? And so I don't have just money to just continue to be dishing out, but I really want to learn this, right? And so they're like, hey, you just got to make the sacrifices. I get that. But in the time we're living in right now, where inflation is at an all-time high, like, it's tough out here, all right? And so by the grace of God, you know what I'm saying, I've been able to learn and train, right? And take those losses and, you know, bump my head. But I've also invested in the courses and I got the knowledge. Okay, and I got a lot of family members, a lot of friends, and then a lot of my followers, and a lot of people who've done business with me say, "Hey, LaDerrick, I want to learn too. Can you teach me?" And the truth is, I just do not have the time. I created a free forex course that I had myself, but it's just super basic, right? And just being honest, and I believe that um, you would need more to be successful, right? I'm not a six-figure trader, so I would never create a course and say I'm gonna sell it. Like, you got people out here who really ain't made no money, y'all, but just duplicating people's courses and remaking them and then selling them like it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But to each his own. But for me and my integrity, I couldn't do that because I just know how rough this game is when it comes to trading. Okay? So look, I've talked about this before. All right, but I want to share it with you all again because this is a blessing from God Himself. Okay? For all my traders, all my beginner traders, and all my traders who have been in the game, right? You can never stop learning in this game. That's one thing for certain. No one's 100% in the market, okay? Everyone takes losses. Everyone continues to learn and grow in this game, all right? And so back at zero provides that. Over here, all right, you get a free Forex course from 7-figure traders for free. Why is it for free? Because they said, listen, we've mastered this, okay? We are making money every single day in the markets. Profitable every single month. We're profitable, all right? And we want to be able to give back. We want to see other people win because in this game, there's no competition, right? Our competition is the markets, right? We're not competing with each other. Everybody wants to be the top trader, right? This is a 6.6, 6.7 something $1 trillion a day industry. There's no competition, all right? But you got a lot of YouTube traders out there that are trying to compete and want to be the best, man. Salute to you if that's your MO. But shout out to the guys at Back at Zero, man. Some of the top traders in the game. So you know what? We're going to create a platform, all right, where we're going to give back and give it to you for free. This is what I love about the beginner course, okay? So when you get on, first things first, you have to sign up with the broker. The information is below. When you sign up with our broker, that's for free, okay? It's actually Novus Markets. Once you sign up with us, click on my link below. Let me know that you signed up, all right? And then I'm gonna send my email. All you gotta do is say, hey, Ladarius, got signed up, and then I'll send you, all right, the back at zero information, because you're gonna need an ID to actually access this course, but it's free, all right. And not only do you get the free course, and we'll go ahead and get this out the way before I talk about the course, you're gonna get free live trading, right? You get to trade with these 6 and 7 figure earners for free. You're going to get free live signals from 6 and 7 figure traders for free. On top of it, you get to learn while you earn. All right, and so we're going to talk about the learning part. I'll speak on the courses and the live trading again in another one. I already have, but I'll reiterate it because this all summer, man. I want to bring on as many people as I can to this platform that I know have been struggling and trying to trade. All right. For the beginners and for my struggling traders. There's people that's been at this for years and have yet to be profitable. I feel your pain. All right. And so God has answered. Okay. Now, this is what I love about the beginner course. Because if you are really a beginner, you can't get to the next one without watching the first video. All right. So here's the deal. You're going to get on here. You're going to, once you log in, once you gain access, you're going to go down to courses and you see Forex intro, right? This is the beginner course. The Forex intro, you got to take it, okay? You're going to see it says, what is Forex? You watch that video in its entirety. You can't just go to what is a trade idea. It's locked. Why? Unlock this lesson by completing our previous lessons. We really want you to learn. Okay, you're going to be able to trade with 6 and 7 figure earners. All right, but we really want you to learn. Okay, I know all of this. I haven't touched it, but my son just graduated, and so we're going to go through it together. Okay, the Forex Mastery is where I play. Okay, this is where I play. All right, so after you finish the beginner, okay, you're going to get access to the Forex Mastery. We also have a free tool called the Bass Indicator. All right, you're going to be able to get access to this, and there's going to be more detailed more detailed information on how you'll be able to get and use the Bass Indicator. But no excuses, just results. All right, we can't guarantee anything, but listen, proven traders, profitable traders, come on. My wife been loving it. She's literally been trading with my guy Nate every single morning, and they've been getting 1,000+ pips on indices, man. 1,000+ pips on indices, NAS and US 30, and also gold. They've been killing it for free. I remember having to pay for this NAS, paying monthly to trade live with people, man. Because I want to be, man. I love the possibilities of what trading can do. All right, and so I've lost tons of money over the years trading, but I never gave up because of the possibilities. And I know that it's real, and I've seen so many people be successful. So just trying to find my way, right? People in my family and friends will start seeing me getting success and like, hey, can you teach me? And I'm like, honestly, the guy, I just don't believe I'm apt to teach it. And I feel like people respect that because like, okay, I get it. Like, yeah, you really shouldn't be training right now. Like I had a free course, it was free, but it's just basic information. This is where you need to come. Okay? So if you want access, again, there's a link below. All right, you got to sign up with our broker first. Let me know you signed up. I'll verify it in my back office to see that you're on the squad. All right, and then I'll send you the back at zero information. My email is going to be below. All right, pnfempire@gmail.com. Send me an email saying, hey, I'm in. All right, first and last name, I'll verify it, and then I'll send you the back at zero login information. All right, just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have full access to our platform. Okay, man, do not wait. All right, if you are a beginner trader, this is for you. All right, you've been praying for it. All right, some of you all are probably locked into some monthly deals right now where you're paying monthly for signals, or you're paying monthly for a course, or monthly for live trading. Did it. All right, the YouTube traders are about to be mad at this. They may come for me in the comments, but hey, if y'all really making money, man, then drop the cost. Right, drop the cost. We see y'all successful. All right, but we're trying to get people to get to that level. Come on, you already making money. If you really making money in these markets, then you ain't got to hit people over top of the head. All right, when it's already hard out here in the first place, especially for a lot of beginner traders. And then some of the seasoned traders, they've lost so much. Listen, for those of y'all who thought about giving up, come on back. Come on back. I'm throwing you a lifeline. Come on back. I got a way. You can learn and earn. All right? Put your $100, $200 on the account and just come trade with us and see. Before you put some real money on there, put $100, $200 on the account and come trade with us live for free and see. All right? We trade all sessions. We got the Asian session where we trade gold with Nate. Right? We got the London session. And of course, we got the New York session. Come trade with us and you will see for yourself. No games, no gimmicks, no oohs, no getches, no gotchas. Zero. We're not charging for nothing. Do you understand me? Nothing. All right. So if you're watching this video, it's for a reason. Your prayers have been answered. And I don't care if you seasoned in the game, right? If you seasoned in the game and you got people trading with you, got a lot of traders, you definitely want to come over here. All right? Because there's perks, all right, to actually having a team of traders over here. All right? They do have an affiliate program that's top tier and everybody's qualified for. And you don't have to pay for the affiliate program neither. For free. Back at Zero is about to take over the foreign exchange industry. Mark my words. You heard it here first. All right? I've been rocking with them now, I would say going on almost 2 months. I'm hooked. I'm here and I'm here to stay. All right? This is how you do it. This is how you do it right here. All right? So, I'm going to put this video up. My wife will probably create me a thumbnail later. I don't want to wait. I need to get this out to my people ASAP. All right? So, if you're watching this video, click on the link. All right? I'm not even going to put no thumbnail. I'll put a thumbnail up later. This is for y'all, man. This is for y'all. All my beginner traders, welcome. All my seasoned traders that thought about giving up, welcome back. Let's get it. Let's grind. Let's go. Love y'all. See y'all at the top, over the top, and on the next video, man. Keep God first. Love you much.